This is the PC board, and I would like to tell you how to check the fuse. You see, these green parts are fuse to protect the machine material and the spare part. And this area is for the fuse for young carrier, and this area is the fuse for the cam. And there are 4 fuses here, 1, 2, 3, 4. These 4 fuses are for stepping motor. And there is only 1 fuse here. This fuse is for the carriage sensor. And now we just turn the PC board back. And you have to set up the meter here. Okay, and use the meter to contact. You see, this is fuse is okay. The first one, no response, no, it means it's broken and no function. So you have to check the one. And 下一个它是 it's okay. You can hear the sound. Okay, it's okay. Yeah. 再量几个。OK， 快一点没关系。So you have to check the fuse, every fuse one by one, and you will know which one is broken. And after finding the fuse broken, you have to replace the new one. And later I will teach you how to place the new one